What's up, guys? Harry here, known as Trade Sharp, and are we in trouble? So, looking at the charts here, we can see that after a long time of closing above the top side Bollinger Band, close. Look at this one was one of the, just catching it by a hairpin. Close. Boom, we closed below. Now we did have the chance yesterday. We actually came up yesterday about somewhere here. We did have the chance to close above the top side Bollinger Band, but we haven't. And this is what? A change of structure. So immediately I'm looking for something one has here. You can see here that when we did close below the topside trology band, we had a bit of ranging downside and a bit of ranging before taking the next leg up. So possibly I'm looking for similar action. So let's go into the lower time frames and see what we've got. So in the lower time frames, we can see on the 4 hour that we basically are still in this range here. This doesn't really this is not relevant anymore. The real relevance is this point here and the bottom point here. Now I know some people have been calling this a head and shoulders, which is, somewhat true, but I don't really play it. The only thing is that look, if we do break below this $30,000 level, I already gave you that, these are the next step targets, and then ultimately I'm looking for a good bottom to be set in at that 24,000. Now let's see if this lines up. If it does, it will be pretty funny. I haven't checked it honestly. See, this is giving you targets all the way down here at 20,000 flat. So, I mean, anything is possible. Ooh, big red candle here. Anything is possible, but I'm looking really at, from the bullishness of Bitcoin, a good bounce here. Uh, possibly something, because you can see this is a really good basing option. It's the last basing option we've had, a bit of ranging and breakout. This doesn't count this. And so let's go and look, what we have in the lower time frames. So we'll start out off with momentum. We can see that the momentum is crossing up, and it will cross down if we close below 32,000, which is $2,000 off. So 1 hour should be, let me bring this back down. 1 hour should be probably crossed down by now. Let's have a look. It's actually still up, so that is good. And that will cross below 33,000. So if the hourly has played it. If you remember, guys, yesterday I was saying that, if we do close above here, obviously bullish. But if you do see that 1 hour turnover, which we saw a turnover here, and when I made my video, we were just turning over. And I said if you did see a turnover, we would come and sell back down. And, if you did take the trade, you don't take one confirmation, but, let's say this was the confirmation of the 1 hour close risk management here, and first take profit would be at this here, which is this support and this resistance. And would you have hit? Yes, you would have hit, 2.29. Not bad, right? I'm just giving you an example, but these stocks have been working quite well, and as long as this remains above this 33,000, then I look for it to be, okay. You could put in a range here. Your next support is down here. This is proper. Now I'm just showing you some price action trading. A price action trading would be, technically, if you're trading price action, a break below here with clear traffic on this side, next support here, then I am looking for it to come down. Oh, not again, guys. Then I'm looking for it to come down to looking for it to come down here at 38,900. So that's just based on price action. So if you look at price action here, why every time I make the video, I'm telling you all day the sound hasn't been coming. All day. Now when I make the video, the sounds come. Sorry about that, guys. But you can see here we have no resistance. We have broken the last low, and now we're breaking down. Implies continuation to the support here. That support is coming in at 33,969. So if you look on the 1 hour, which we were looking at, we need to close below 33,200. So technically, based on price action, coming down to that 39, 9 whatever, 30, what was it? 3369 whatever. 969 would not be bearish, and it would just simply be a simple price action that would be coming around. So, and we would still not cross down on the 1 hour. But it does look like it does want to cross down. And if it does look like it want to cross down, then I think we base here, we break here. Obviously, we're going to come down and essentially play out a range within this area here. So basically, to sum this up, pretty simple what is going on. We can see that price is basically ranging in this area. I am looking for more ranging based on the 3-day close on the Bollinger Band. We are getting some sort of bounce here on the 50, which is good. This is the first time we've got properly above the 50. You could claim this, but if we do get support here of this 50, I do look for us, and if Stokes turn up, I look for us to come and test here. Now, if we do, of course, break and close a 4 hour above this region, then I can send targets to probably about the 39,000, and we'll start talking about higher targets. But even if we just get this wick, price action here, wick, I do look for us to have extension, maybe somewhere around here, back up to 39,000. So, with that said, that's basically what's going on. This is again the vital level to hold. We have to hold this 30,000. And, if we break it, then I've discussed some of the targets. Break to the upside, get a wick higher than the last wick. It would be a break of the 50 moving as well, make us bullish again. I would see us coming back up to test here, and we'll take it from there. But that's basically what we're looking at. We might have some downside to come test here. And I mean, this is a very significant range. $6,000 range, guys. I mean, that is insane. Crazy, crazy range. But yeah, that's what I'm expecting to happen. We could see some more downside if we do cross below on the 1 hour Stokes, because 1 hour Stoke has been getting it. So if we see that start curling down and coming, then I do look for actually probably this base, at least this to be retested here at 34,000, and maybe the base possibly I look at 30,000 to possibly be retested today. Anyways, we'll see how that plays out. And yeah, let's just quickly have a quick look at Ethereum. Ethereum is practically, it looks the same as Bitcoin chart. Look at this. Practically the same. So it's following Bitcoin at the moment. For some time here, it wasn't following Bitcoin, but for Ethereum, the range that holds that we have to maintain on Ethereum is actually up here. All these wicks, I would say 900 is a good level to hold. If we do close below 900, then I look for us, to have bounces at here. 850, 830 could have a bounce. But, if Bitcoin does come back down to that $24,000 level, then Ethereum is going to come back down to this level here. So, yeah, we'll see how that goes. I'll leave you with that, guys. Remember, take care and trade sharp. Peace.